folks, get ready. I hope you're excited. We're gonna draw another one of my favorite Bakugan. His name is Nastix. Hold on a second. And now, Bakugan stands! Gaze in all his glory. He looks awesome in ball form. Anyways, I've only seen Nastix in Chaos, Pyrus, and Ventus. We're gonna draw what he looks like in his open form. Nastix, move aside please. Time to start drawing. Drawing mode, activate. Activate platform battle stand. Now let's go. Drawing this guy is a bit easy. Be sure to draw this part here.
Will you be there to pick me up?
If I gotta run, will you be coming with me up?
Cause I got your back and you got mine, and there's nothing that can stop us now. If all else fails, will you help me when I lose my way? Set your sails to be ready for the winds of change. Cause the journey starts today.
There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
So, basically, when drawing Nastix, you must draw this as his upper body. You wanna know a weird fact about Blue's Clues and You? They never released an episode where they got to meet Periwinkle, like in that episode of Blue's Big Mystery. When are they ever gonna release a reboot version of that? I mean, seriously, folks. Something has got to change in that show. Otherwise, I might just walk up there and punch them in the face. That show is just for morons. I mean, I'm gonna get really serious about my hatred for it real soon. In the meantime, why don't you draw this, continue watching this, cause, I'm still not finished drawing this handsome guy. I still think Bakugan is a really nice franchise. Anyways, I used to collect these toys when I was a kid. I even got Nastix from that toy line at that big Toys R Us in the big city. But unfortunately for him, his story, unfortunately for him, Nastix ended up, unfortunately for Nastix, we only saw him in one episode. We only saw him in one series, but I'm pretty sure he'll reappear in another season real soon. Holding on to these Bakugan was, like, totally worth it. And unfortunately for Toys R Us, it got shut down. That Toys R Us in the big city, it got shut down. The one that's out here in Huntington, shut down. The one by the Massapequa Mall, shut down. Why would they do that? Toys R Us is a famous place. Why would they shut it down? I mean, you could get toys anywhere. I mean, toys are popular. I mean, who invented them anyway? Oh wait, I got a robot. She could tell me everything. Alexa, when were toys invented?
Most children have been said to play with whatever they can find, such as sticks and rocks. Toys and games have been unearthed from the sites of ancient civilizations. They have been written about in some of the oldest literature.
Okay. Anyways, over the years, toys have evolved into things that were bigger and to make the shelves and the value bigger, better, and more awesomer. And over the years, the toy companies have improved. There's Hasbro, Playmates, there's Level, Amazon. Alexa, can you name a few toy companies?
Here's something I found on reference.com. Some of the most well-known toy companies include Hasbro, KB Toys, Lionel Corporation, Little Tikes, Tonka, Mattel, Lego, and Fisher-Price.
Thank you. Drawing this is so much fun. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Miura Jam.
So, another thing about drawing Nastix, you need to draw this part here. Okay. His body's just literally big. Wait, I get it now. That thing's a hand. Now another thing, you must draw. There we go. Now we just draw this tentacle here. Oh yeah. There's one more thing I have to tell you. Alexa, what is the Rocket Prize Master?
I'm not sure.
Alexa, in Pokemon, what is the Rocket Prize Master?
Sorry, I don't know that, but you have unofficial Pokemon of the day enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
The Pokemon of the day is called Quilava. It weighs 190 and can perform 60 moves.
There we go. Now the last step in drawing Nastix is his tentacle above his arm here. Anyways, Bakugan can be seen in both Nithya and Gundalia. But I have a liking for both of these Bakugan. And basically, I'm glad they put aside their differences. how you draw Nastix. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? Don't think of it as an abomination. Think of it as something think of it that really focuses the mind. I mean, is that his... Are those his eyes? Or are those his eyes? Are those his arms? Or are those his arms? Everything is like... Life is like a puzzle. Life is like a maze. Don't feel doubt if you're in a haze. And if you believe me, we haven't seen Bakugan like these in years. It's 2020. They came out in 2012 or 2009. We haven't seen them in about 10 years. And until they were re-released back in 2019, which the reboot is becoming a complete success. And I hope to see more of these Bakugan real soon. Anyways, that's how you draw Nastix. I hope you like and rock and subscribe to my Mewtwo channel, and I hope you guys are excited for the next episode, because in the next episode, we're gonna draw a Bull Cannon!